Transform your Unreal Engine game into a captivating journey of accomplishment by mastering progressive Steam achievements. Today, we're diving into the powerful Steamworks API to implement dynamic achievements that truly reward player progression and keep them hooked. First, ensure your Unreal Engine project is properly integrated with Steamworks. This typically involves setting up the Steamworks SDK and enabling its features within your game's project settings. The secret to progressive achievements lies in tracking player progress. Identify key metrics in your game that signify advancement. This could be player level, items collected, quests completed, or even skillful maneuvers performed. For each progressive achievement, you'll need to define specific milestones. Think about how you want to measure and update the player's progress towards unlocking that goal. When a player reaches a defined milestone, you'll use the Steamworks API calls to update the achievement's progress. This tells Steam exactly how far the player has come. As the player continues their journey and hits those critical progress points, you'll call the appropriate Steamworks function to increment the achievement status. This creates a visually engaging experience for the player, showing them their current standing and motivating them to reach the next level of accomplishment. By creatively designing these progressive goals, you can guide players through your game's content, encourage exploration, and foster a sense of mastery. Implement progressive achievements, and watch your players become more invested, challenged, and ultimately, rewarded in your Unreal Engine masterpiece.